Well, in today's video, this is going to be a clean with me, y'all. Starting out with laundry. Got some towels going in there with a half a cup of vinegar. So I'm going to be adding this to the laundry. Get that going so we can work on other things in the house. Let's get to it. If you really want to do it, let's get to it. Let's get motivated. So in here in the kitchen, I definitely need to just like remove things off the countertop. This is just things I need to put away where they belong and where they go. I need to do a couple of dishes in here. And like I said, move some things around, wipe down the countertops. This area is clean, so I'm not worried about this area there. But yeah, we're gonna put some things away from the grocery store, and then I need to sweep and mop the floors in the living room and here in the kitchen. So let's do it. So we are ending, well, we're near the end of the video. I did this can opener, I cleaned it, and then I realized you could hardly see it in the camera what I was doing. But I will see y'all in the next video, and thanks for watching.